we are, here. Woohoo! Now approaching one of my probably favourite spots in the UK. Kayak stayed on the roof. Bonus. To be fair, it went on really easy. Right. Here we are, the historic fishing village of Beer, South Devon. Turn right there by that, in front of that hotel, and there's a long stay car park up there. Let's see if I can try and get down. Well, I've got to get down by the water because obviously I want to get a kayak off. There's limited parking down here, but it's quiet this time of year, so hopefully should be able to get something. Maybe not. This is Beer Beach. Lovely place. That's Ducky's over there. That's the place we always use in summer. They hire out beach huts. Very reasonable. We come down as a family and, well, you know, we have a make a nice day of it. So let's have a quick look at the sea before you commit to getting the kayak off. It looks lovely from here. Oh, what am I saying commit? I'm going to get it off anyway. That's Simon's landing stage. Bit of offshore wind. Well, it's gonna be a bit stronger later, but it'll be fine for trying out this new kayak. Well, I'm fishing out here. I've got I'm trawling at the moment. Pedal drive working. Quite calm. Gotta admit, it don't feel as stable as our other kayaks. And we should see. I think I'm gonna do some drifting in a minute with some bait, I think. There. As usual, it's absolutely lovely out here. I'm gonna do a couple of casts now because I don't think trawling with that in order works. Yeah, I don't know. So, bye. Right, grab beer on our Cambridge kayak sailfish. It seems to work okay. It seems to work pretty good. Let's get this rudder thing sorted. It doesn't feel the most stable of kayaks. I mean, in calm water. I wouldn't. My last kayak, I could practically stand up, even though it was a 9 foot tall, 9 foot long. Yeah, I don't feel that. I know it's a higher position. Maybe just take some getting used to. I mean, the pedal drive works, you know, all right, and go along at all right, not rate of knots, I suppose. It's we'll see what happens. It's a lovely day. I think I said it just feels a little bit more unstable on my own, but I said I'm not sat in the kayak now. I'm sat on a seat, so perhaps that makes a difference. Right, I'm gonna do some drifting for. I'm gonna do a bit of lure work for bass. I can't really record it because I'm not set up for it with this camera yet. But I may try and put the head cam on and see if I can do it that way. Alright, cheers. But anyway, my first impressions are, yeah, it seems okay. It seems okay. The pedal drive said it's making me come along. Go along. It doesn't feel particularly fast at the moment. It's starting to speed up a bit. See if it makes a difference. Well, I'm moving. So paddle's flying about a bit. I think the paddle leash needs tightening up a little bit. Anyway, let's get this lure in the water and bring it back if I get a fish on. Right, so far, just a doggy so far, but it's a lovely day. A drift fishing with bait now. Oh, we got a bite on that one. We got a bite on it. Oh, yeah, we got a bite on it. Oh my God, I don't know what that is. I don't know what that is, but it's slipping. It's pulled me round. Got a bit of a pickle here. Just keep it on the mat. If I just get this out of the way. I think I'll let it get its head at the bottom. Oh no, it's coming up. It's coming up. The rat row pulling backwards. Whatever it is. I'm going to need this net. Oh my God, it's going again, it's going again. I ain't got a flipping clue what this is. I like to play this side of the boat actually. I hope this is recording. What are you being a flipping conger? Oh no, no. It's a ray coming in backwards. No, I'm just going to wing it. I have to wing it. No, mate, you ain't going back, you ain't going back. Blimey. Don't forget that one there. Well, that was a bit unexpected, wasn't it? Bollocks, I'm covering slime now. I'm gonna have to get that towel out. Yeah, I definitely need that towel out. I don't want him flipping straight up one. Oops. Oh, can't you get a decent picture of it? Lovely ray, that one. That's got to be, it's got to be £8. There she goes. Right. After that little episode, it's time to shimmy forward.
and get out. Nip in on the way, we're done. Yeah, this ain't the best, this ain't the most stable of kayaks. Whew. That was a bit of fun. Have we got some of that on footage? Oh, I believe. Right, still at it. Just about to give up when there's beauty coming on. Bit of a beast. Not washed out all either, he's still plump. So I think he might make tea tonight. Not right, it's still recording. I see I can make this fly along, right? Got a keyboard on that rudder though.